Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to invest in Vanguard Australia. Vanguard offers a straightforward approach to investing, focusing on low-cost, diversified options. We'll cover their popular exchange-traded funds, or ETF, and managed funds, which are great for long-term growth. You'll learn the simple steps to get started and build a robust portfolio with Vanguard's trusted solutions. It's easier than you might think to begin your investment journey. When investing with Vanguard Australia, you have excellent choices. Their ETFs, like VDHG or VAS, offer instant diversification across many companies or asset classes. Managed funds provide a hands-off approach, with experts handling your portfolio. Think about your investment goals and risk tolerance to pick the best fit. Whether you prefer direct access or using a brokerage, Vanguard makes it simple to align your investments with your financial plan. Setting up your Vanguard account in Australia is a smooth process. You'll need some basic identification, like a driver's license, to verify your identity. The online application guides you through providing your personal and financial information securely. Once your account is open, linking your bank account allows for seamless transfers, making it easy to fund your investments. This step is crucial for starting your journey towards financial independence with Vanguard. Once your Vanguard portfolio is established, ongoing management is key. Periodically review your investments to ensure they still align with your goals, and rebalance if needed to maintain your desired asset allocation. Consistent contributions, even small ones, can significantly boost your long-term returns thanks to compounding. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy investing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.